everyone, this is Lupe from Mysher Technology. We are a leading professional ODM manufacturer in China. Our company specializes in document scanning and video conferencing product solutions development and production in global electronics industry. We association with Tradewheel team more than 1 year. This is the second year we work together. We have experienced a great time with the Tradewheel team past 1 year. They are very professional and responsible team, what I have seen. They performed very well in product promotion and communication with customers. Also brought us many high quality orders and supported us great help in product promotion. We are very optimistic to cooperate with Tradewheel in the next year. I wish we have cooperate more and more closely in the future. Wish all the best.